In this short tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to turn on camera on Ometv. Now if you're having trouble with your Ometv camera, whereby you can see people but people can't see you, simply head to your phone settings. You want to navigate to Apps. Here, head to the search bar and search for the Ometv application. Head to it. You will see the camera option. Now when turned off, make sure to enable this option on. Now get back on your Ometv and check if your camera is now working. Now, if it's still not working, just head to General. Still just under Settings. You want to select iPhone Storage. In the search bar, search for the Ometv application. You want to tap on Offload App, and then confirm by Offload the application. This doesn't delete your data, but rather fixes all app glitches. Now get back and just tap onto the Ometv app to reinstall it back. Eventually, your camera will work once again. Well, that's how easy it is to fix your Ometv camera if not working. And if you find this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials like this one.